Listen closely, seekers of wisdom, as I unveil the legend of the Whispering Grove, a tale that imparts a brief yet profound life lesson. In a distant land, there existed a grove where mystical winds carried whispers of forgotten truths. Amidst this sacred place, two ancient trees stood tall, one a tree of generosity, and the other a tree of empathy. The villagers, inspired by the tree's virtues, began to emulate their generosity and empathy. The Whispering Grove flourished, and harmony enveloped the land. But when discord threatened the grove, the trees shared one final secret: the power of unity. The villagers, realizing the strength in coming together, overcame adversity and restored the balance. Remember, seekers like the trees of the Whispering Grove embrace generosity, empathy, and unity. In the tapestry of life, these virtues are the roots that anchor a legacy of harmony. May the legend guide you on your journey. Seek virtue, embrace unity, and let your actions echo through the ages.